Hi and welcome to another episode of Baranov TV, designed to demystify the world of accounts and tax and to help your business grow. Now, our ethos within Baranov Associates is very much around making lives easier for clients, helping them sleep better at night, saving them time and saving them money if we can. And that's what Baranov TV is all about, trying to give you tips and ideas on how to improve your business and to improve growth, and also how to make small changes to get massive difference within the business, as well as trying to, as I mentioned before, demystify the world of accounts and tax. So one of the things that we've been for a long time has been ReceiptBank partners. But the way we were operating it before was that we would have to charge an additional amount every month to give clients ReceiptBank access. And we have decided that we are going to stop doing that. We are going to absorb the cost of ReceiptBank licenses for our clients in with our normal monthly fees. We don't pay anywhere near as much for ReceiptBank licenses as clients do if they go direct, and we feel that there are enough benefits to warrant actually offering that to all of our clients entirely free of charge to them. So why would you want to use ReceiptBank? Well, there are massive savings available in terms of processing time for your bookkeeping. So invoices coming in, receipts coming in, they can be automatically uploaded to your bookkeeping software using ReceiptBank. It's very secure, it makes life a lot quicker, and it learns the system it learns as you go. So the first time you code an invoice or a receipt to a particular point, the next time you have an invoice or a receipt for that supplier, it will suggest that that's where you would like it to go. So it's saving time for your bookkeeping in a massive way. It's also going to save you a lot of time in terms of filing and storing of those receipts and invoices, because the images of them which are accepted by HMRC are automatically saved within the system. So you no longer have to have space allocated to files and files of invoices and receipts, and you no longer have to spend the time in filing them so that you can find them again later. There are also lots of different ways of getting the information into ReceiptBank, which we really like. You can use an app that's on your phone to take a photo and send it into the system. You can import multiple CSVs of information into the system. You can email into the system if you receive a PDF of an invoice, for example, or you can actually you will be allocated a ReceiptBank unique email, and you can give that email address to your suppliers so that your invoices come straight into your system, and they'll go through ReceiptBank, which will work out where to code them, and all of the information is taken from the invoice into your system. So you can also have multiple users, so different logins for each one. So you can have access for yourself, for your bookkeeper, I don't know, for your office manager, whoever needs access can have access. There are various levels available of ReceiptBank, and if you've looked at it online, they start at £10 a month up to £40 a month, and it's that £40 a month level that we're actually able to provide. So that includes up to 3,000 transactions a month, which should keep most people happy, and up to 20 users. Again, so that gives an awful lot of flexibility in terms of how you want to implement the system within your business. So, having outlined all of the benefits, how do you get it? All you need to do is drop us an email or give us a call, and we can set that up for you. What we'd want to do before we did that, though, is just chat through with you and make sure that we've actually worked out how best to operate it within your business, because there are little nuances that will make a difference depending on how you operate. But I can't cover all those off in this video. So what systems does it integrate with? They are Xero and QuickBooks and Free Agent and Sage and Cashflow, which I think cover most of our clients, predominantly obviously on Xero and QuickBooks, but all of those systems are actually integratable, if that's a word, with ReceiptBank. And with the license, the 3,000 transactions and 20 users, you also get access to the app, and you get unlimited support from ReceiptBank too. Not that you will need it, because it is very straightforward. If you already have ReceiptBank, don't panic, you're not losing out. What we can do is, with an email confirmation from you, we can transfer your system onto our platform, which means that you immediately stop paying for your ReceiptBank license. If you are worried that we are then tying you to us, that's absolutely fine and a valid concern, but it isn't a problem. If you decide you want to move on from us for some reason in the future, it's as simple to revert you back either to have your own license direct or to move your license onto another advisor at a later date. The final thing to say is that Xero's expenses are worth using. We know a lot of clients are using those. ReceiptBank actually gives you a lot more functionality and with a lot less manual requirement from yourself. So it's worth looking at ReceiptBank even if you're currently using Xero expenses. It will give you more from it. Have a think about it, have a look at the ReceiptBank website. I'll put the web address onto this screen. And if you want to chat it through, please do get in touch. But as I say, there will be no further charge from us to give you ReceiptBank access. So I hope that's helpful. Have a think about it, come back to us if you'd like to know more, and I'll see you very soon.